comment niya, your video is very informative po. Just a question lang. I just noticed that you have applied your adjustment of status after the 90 days of your K1 visa. May I ask lang po if it's okay to file for adjustment of status after 90 days? In addition, is there any time frame or grace period in filling it? Thank you po and have a blessed day. So, yun po yung question niya. So, the K1 visa po na na-obtain natin, yung K1 visa, na-explain ko na to sa ibang video ko, yung K1 visa na na-obtain natin, nakuha natin sa US Embassy, that's valid for 6 months, up to 6 months po, diba? Sa yung iba, 3 months lang, especially yung mga nasusputong. Hindi ka naman nasputong, valid for